To replace the parachute pole, we're going to have to take it out here and then also take it out up here. To do that, the easiest way is to release the footrest. So then you're going to reach up through, and there's screws that go through, but there's nuts on the back side. So you go ahead and hold it, loosen it, reach up through. You'll have the two nuts. Then just go ahead and pull it straight out. Set the bolts aside. And then you're going to work back here. And you're going to want to take this off. And the easiest way is just to break it out, since you're going to replace it because the handle's been broken, or if the cable is worn where it needs to be replaced. So what you're going to do is you're just going to stick your screwdriver in there, shove it down, and twist it and break it out. Then you'll still have the plastic piece inside. It didn't come out. Just stick your screwdriver down in the center, hit it down through. Then pull the cable out there with the S-hook. Then just feed it back through and out of the way it is. Then you'll grab your new one. You can feed it back through the cable there, bring it back through, and it's going to line up like that. But we'll start with putting it in here again. Put your screws usually back into the center holes, guide them through, and then you'll reach back up through into the frame. And then you just have to feel it and run the screws straight on. There's that one. Then you lace the cable back through the wire tie. Bringing it out. Then it will snap into the mechanism right there. So take the S, put it down through the hole, and then snap it in.